Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So some of you requested to see my handbag collection, which is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. I will show you every single bag that I have with me. I used to have a lot more bags back when I lived in Japan, but I had to get rid of a lot of them because I just couldn't bring everything with me here. So this is all of the bags that survived the declutter and moving from one country to another. And most of them are pink. Actually, 99% of them are pink. So if you want to see my pink bag collection, then let's get started. So I will start off with the only bag that is not pink, and it's actually my current everyday bag, and this is what it looks like. This is a bag from Badgley Mishka, and I think that this is a perfect everyday bag that goes with a lot of my outfits because it's like this creamy beige color, and it does have the top handle and it has the long strap as well. I use this bag most often because it is very neutral, and even though I do wear a lot of pink clothes, obviously sometimes I just don't want to have a pink bag, or a lot of my bags are either a little bit too big or expensive to wear on an everyday basis. So this is a perfect size. It opens up like this. It just looks like this on the inside. It has a zipper pocket and a side pocket and just one big pocket for everything else. Just overall, this is a very good quality brand bag, but it's very inexpensive. It's a lot more affordable than other luxury brands. I don't know if you can consider Badgley Mishka a luxury brand. Probably not, but either way, I think that this is a good bag to get if you are looking for something that you can just carry on an everyday basis. And the leather is very durable. I put this bag on the floor, just toss it around the car, everywhere else, and it hasn't gotten scratched whatsoever. Did not get discolored even when you wear like jeans or something. I had a terrible situation with my Chanel bag that had color transfer. This didn't happen to this bag, so yeah, I really like this bag, and that's why I'm using it on a daily basis right now. This is another inexpensive bag that I use on a daily basis sometimes. It is a little bit dirty because I do use it. This is from the Japanese brand called Mishmash, and this is kind of like a take on the Lady Dior bag, which I really want to get. It kind of reminds me of Lady Dior. I think you can all see why. It has this little bow that got dirty, and it has this letter M for Mishmash brand, and it's just a quilted bag with a long strap. It even has kind of like the same closing thing as Lady Dior does, and it just has one big pocket with a side pocket. I really like this bag a lot. I've been using it for years. I think I've had it for maybe 2 years now, and this is very easy to use. It is smaller and it is really cute, and it does fit a lot of stuff inside, even though it's quite small, but I can fit all of my necessities in here without any issues. So I really do enjoy this bag, and I'm really happy that I got it. My next bag is actually this backpack, which I just did a video about what's in my backpack recently. So if you want to check that out, please check the link in the description bar. But this is the only backpack that I have, and this is from the brand Maison de Fleur, which is also a Japanese brand, and this is just the best backpack in the world. It's super pretty. This pink color is just everything, and it does also come up with detachable pink bow, which is very cute, and it's just adds something extra to this bag, but you can remove it if you don't want to. It's just very easy. It has like this clasp here, and it has a pocket on the front, and it opens up like this, so you can easily get any of the items that you may need, unlike some other bags where it doesn't open all the way, so it's kind of hard to get inside. But here it opens up, so it's super convenient, very comfortable bag straps, and it does have a top handle as well. So I just love everything about this backpack. If you can get your hands on Maison de Fleur bags, 100% recommend. And I think this is the brand that like every Japanese girl has, either a backpack or a handbag. If you go to Japan, or if you can buy this somehow, this would be a very good quality backpack to have, and it's not that expensive as well, so totally recommend. Another Japanese bag that I have is this one from the brand Samantha Vega, which is another very popular Japanese bag brand, and I got this as a work bag, and I did use it a lot when I was in Japan because I had to carry my laptop a lot of times, but now I hardly ever use it just because this is a humongous bag and there is no need for me to have so many items with me, and it is a little bit heavy on its own, which is a downside, but this is such a gorgeous bag. They do also have this in smaller size and a million other colors, but this is the color that I chose. It's like this super hot cotton candy bubblegum pink kind of thing, and I love the decoration here. I did add this My Melody charm. It didn't come with it, but it has this beautiful bow here, and there is a pocket that opens up like this. It does also come with a long strap, which I actually don't know where mine went, which is a problem. I should probably know where it is, but regardless, it is extremely spacious, and it has a side pocket here, and the lining of the bag is also very pretty. Hopefully you can see it's like floral inside. Very, very beautiful bag, and I did enjoy using it a lot back when I did use it. At the bottom, it also has these little feet that would help your bag stand and not get dirty, which is a plus. And yeah, if you were looking into Samantha Vega, definitely a very good quality brand for also not too expensive, and it's just another brand that a lot of Japanese girls have. All right, now let's move on to some of my more expensive bags, and of course my first pride and joy is my Chanel Coco handle bag in the pink. I love this bag. This is this is definitely my #1 favorite bag out of everything that I own. I love Chanel. I love everything that Chanel makes, and of course this bag is just the impersonation of pink, classy beauty in my opinion, and we all know about this bag. I did a video about what's in my Coco handle as well, which I will leave in the description bar as well. And yeah, it's just super handy bag. I always take this with me when I go out. It's just a bag that gets millions of compliments. Everybody loves this bag. I am definitely hoping to get a Chanel Classic flap this year. I'm still trying to decide whether I should get the pink one or the black one, which I don't have any black bags at all. So let me know what you guys think, whether I should get a pink or a black Chanel Classic flap in the comment section below, because I really can't decide. And Chanel bags are expensive, but they're definitely worth the investment. And so yeah, this is definitely my top favorite bag that I have. My second designer bag is my Louis Vuitton Pink Montaigne BB, and I got this quite a while ago, and I absolutely love this bag as well. I use it all the time. I took it on the trip to Russia with me, and this is a very good bag when you want to carry a little bit more than usual, because it does have a lot of compartments. It has the zipper compartment where you can put like your documents and wallet, and then it has 2 compartments on each side. I do have a lot of trash in my bag at the moment, which I should clean up, but this is also a bag that I've been wanting to get for a really long time, and then I finally managed to get it. Also, a few years ago, I have a video about what I carry in this bag as well, which I did a long time ago, but it's still relevant, so I will also link it in the description bar. And yeah, this is just a very gorgeous pink color. I think that a lot of people also enjoy pink Louis Vuitton bags. I am hoping to get the Pochette Métis as well in the future, because that's another dream bag of mine. And yeah, I really recommend this bag as well if you were looking for a good maybe work bag or everyday bag if you do carry a lot of items with you. To me, this bag looks a lot more classy compared to other Louis Vuitton bags like Neverfull, which I think is overdone, and it just doesn't have that image that it should, if you know what I mean. So this bag is definitely a lot more classy and sophisticated and easy to use. So yeah, I really like this one. Now let's talk about some crazy bags that I have that I used to wear when I was in Japan, but now they just sit on my shelf because my style has changed a little bit, even though I do still obviously enjoy these bags as well. So the first one is this. This is my Sweet Piano bag, which I got from the brand Maison de Fleur as well. They had a limited collaboration with Sanrio, and I also have a video about what I carry in this bag back when I lived in Japan. So if you want to check that out, the link will be as always in the description bar. But this is a super cute bag. The lining has My Melody and my Sweet Piano on there. Just the cutest thing. I love the little frills on the handles. I love that it's really fuzzy and soft, and it did have a tail right here. It had a little fluffy tail which fell off, and I believe I lost that, which is a very sad thing. Regardless of that, I still love this bag, and of course now I don't really know where I would wear this but in Japan I did use it all the time. I actually used this to go to work. So yeah, I'm very happy to have this because it was super hard to get. The collection was sold out like in seconds. Even though I don't wear this anymore, I still am extremely happy to have this. And another bag in the same kind of realm is this, which is also a My Sweet Piano bag. And I don't know what brand this is. I just got it on Mercari back in the day, and it's super cute. Has this little My Sweet Piano fuzzy little thing, and in the back it also says My Sweet Piano, and it just opens up like this, and there's just one side pocket here. I used to use this all the time as well. I used this as a side bag with another bag when I had to carry a little more items with me, and just by itself it was very, very easy to use. They're kind of like the same style of like a mini tote bag, and both are extremely cute. And if you don't know, My Sweet Piano is my favorite Sanrio character, so of course I had to collect everything that I could, and I'm just really happy to have these. And last but not least, the last bag I want to show you guys is this Alice in Wonderland bag, which I got from the brand Axis Femme, which is another Japanese brand. And this is the most intricate, complicated Alice in Wonderland print. It's the same on both sides, and it is a very useful tote bag, which I also used a ton when I lived in Japan. Also used this to go to work. And the inside here is also Alice, so there is a side pocket, and the whole lining on the inside is floral with Alice in Wonderland theme, which I think is just so gorgeous. I use this bag so much, and it was actually very, very convenient because I could fit my laptop and everything like that in here. Now I don't use it as much because, again, it doesn't really go with my style anymore. But I am a huge Alice in Wonderland fan, so just the fact that I have this makes me really happy. And yeah, it's a good collector's piece for sure. So yeah, you guys, these are all of the bags that I have at the moment. I'm definitely hoping to get a lot more bags this year, or maybe not more, but just a few bags. And I do now collect more of expensive pieces and luxury brand pieces because with age you realize that it's quality over quantity. Back when I was a teenager, I had a lot of bags, but they were extremely cheap and they would rip and tear. So now I focus more on the quality and I do invest in my pieces. So that's why I have less bags, but I do love every single one of them. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about my collection, and if you like any of the bags, and if you have any recommendations for the bags that you think I might like. I would also like to hear about that in the comment section below. And thank you so much as always for watching my videos and supporting the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!